Hi, I'm Kathleen Sullivan. I'm a postpartum doula and infant specialist, and today we're going to talk about how to clean a baby's ears. And one of the things that we use that are such a great invention, I think, are what are called safety swabs. And there's different manufacturers for these things. You can get them pretty much anywhere. But these are really designed and clinically proven that they're safer for children and babies than our typical adult Q-tips. So we're going to talk about that, and I want to share with you how often you should do this, because with a newborn, which is the first 3 months of life, typically in the first several weeks we only give a bath every 3 days, and then as we get to maybe the 6 to 8 week mark, it's every other night. But by the 3-month mark, the 12 weeks, we actually give the baby a bath every night, because it's establishing a routine that we're going to set up for our baby to sleep through the night. And so I clean the baby's ears on those days that I give a bath. So I'm going to show you now exactly how to clean a baby's ears with a safety Q-tip. Okay? So we're going to go around and get in all the crevices that you can get into with baby, the different ears, cleaning that. And then turning it over, you just take this part and you just insert lightly and twist. And it can't go in any further because it's a safety swab. And this way you're protecting yourself and your baby from going in too far. So you just twist this and then look and see if you've cleaned the baby's ears properly. Sometimes you get a lot of wax, sometimes you won't, but at least you know if you're doing it every 3 days, and then as you get older, every other day, and then every day, you can use these safety swabs to clean the baby's ears. Okay? I'm Kathleen Sullivan, postpartum doula, and we are discussing today how to clean a baby's ears.